Stress, an invisible force that shapes our minds in ways we are only beginning to understand. But what if I told you that your brain has a hidden shield against it? And that shield is breaking. Today, we uncover the molecular battle inside your mind, where stress rewires your very biology, and how science is racing to unlock the key to resilience. At the heart of this discovery lies a tiny but powerful component of the brain, the CB1 receptor. These receptors found in astrocytes, specialized brain cells, act as regulators of synaptic plasticity. In simpler terms, they help determine how your brain adapts to stress. But here's the shocking part. Scientists have found that stress doesn't just impact your emotions, it alters these receptors at the genetic level. Recent research has shown that the genes controlling CB1 receptors are highly sensitive to stress. In particular, two brain regions stand out: the nucleus accumbens, responsible for reward and mood regulation, and the prefrontal cortex, the command center for decision-making and social behavior. These are the areas where stress strikes hardest, weakening the very circuits that keep us balanced. But what happens when CB1 levels drop? Scientists examining post-mortem human brains made a startling discovery. People with major depression had significantly lower CB1 receptor levels in these regions compared to those without depression, or even those who had been treated with antidepressants. This means stress isn't just a psychological burden, it leaves a molecular scar on the brain. While this discovery is groundbreaking, scientists caution that we are only scratching the surface. The study measured just one marker of inflammation, and the endocannabinoid system is vastly more complex than we currently understand. To develop effective treatments, we need to find a molecule that specifically targets CB1 receptors in astrocytes, a task that remains a major challenge. But until that breakthrough arrives, what can we do? The answer may lie in something far simpler than we expected. Researchers suggest that physical activity could play a crucial role in protecting the brain from stress-induced damage. Exercise, they believe, might help maintain CB1 receptor levels, acting as a natural defense against the long-term effects of chronic stress. The brain is not a passive victim of stress. It fights back, adapting, rewiring, and seeking balance. Understanding the role of CB1 receptors is just the beginning. The question now is, can we learn to harness this knowledge and create a future where stress no longer dictates our mental health? The war against stress is being fought inside your brain, and science is on the front lines. What we discover next could change the way we treat mental health forever. If you found this research fascinating, subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the human mind and the science of resilience.